Alright, I'm back. I got a charge cord for my camera. I'm ready to zero my rifle, but first, I'm going to shoot my 3.568 drill. Alright, we're going to do it in a 4-second par time. Okay, because the last time I shot it for you guys, I was one outside of the 6-inch circle. Okay, I'm going to try to shoot expert. Expert is shooting 5 shots into the 3x5 card at each distance, 3, 5, and 7 yards under 4 seconds. So right at 4 seconds. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Let's try that first. After that, I'm going to zero my rifle for you guys, and I'm going to shoot it to show you guys everything was flawless on the build. And here we go. 4-second par time. 3 yards. Okay, 5 shots, all in. Push it out to 5 yards. I did that in 2.94. Okay, need to slow my butt down just a tad bit. Alright, here we go. .44, I'm all in, still all in. Going out the 7-yard line. Here's the hard part. And I knew I was off when I first started. 3.82. So I don't know if I showed that all the way. 3.82. 5 shots. And I threw 2 shots off. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to mark it and try it again. Alright, I'm going to try it again. Here we go. I had 2 out anyway. Let's try it again. Not holding the gun tight enough. That's alright. So, I know what I gotta work on. 3, 5 yards, no problem. 4 seconds, I can get it inside of here. 7-yard line, I gotta get it right. That time was 3.59. I was right at the 4 second. Actually, I was halfway to the 4 second, between 3 and 4. But everything else was good. I would have been considered an advanced shooter on the first go round. But I don't like advanced, I like expert. Alright guys, here we come to zeroing. Stand by. Alright, my peoples, look, when it comes to zeroing, obviously you need something that's very visible at your yardage distance. I zero my rifle at 25 yards, 25 meters, whatever I can get on the range, but here I can only get 25 yards. Alright, a lot of people like combat effective range of 50 yard zero or 100 yard zero. I do 25 because that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be shooting a whole bunch of long distance stuff. Mine is for combative shooting, okay? If I have to shoot at a bad guy, it's probably going to be at upwards of 50 yards and not 100 yards for me. Alright, your situation may be different. Zero your gun depending on your scenario. For in the home shooting, home defense, and just going to a rifle class, 25 yards is more than enough. Okay? You don't have to hold a specific zero or anything like that. Some people may argue with me. I don't care. Okay? I've already shot a tactical instructor shooter course. Everybody else was zeroed at 50. I was the only one zeroed at 25. I performed just as good as everybody else did, okay, holding my zero. So, you know, it's your choice. Do it the way you feel like you need to. For me, it's 25 yards. So I've taken my 3.568 drill, which you can use to do everything. All right. I put a highlighter sticky note on there, 2x2. All right, and we're gonna run this rascal down to 25 yards. Here we go. Once I get it down there, I'm gonna pull out the rifle and I'll come back, guys. All right. All right, here we go. All right, guys. So I got my baby out. I'm gonna use this chair to sit down and hold steady. I use my red dot, and I co-witness my red dot on my front sight, so that's how I'm going to try to zero it. I have a pair of binoculars that I'm going to use so I don't have to keep pulling my target back and forth. Okay, once I get my zero right, I'll know by looking through here. Okay, so let me go ahead and test these out. Alright, first 3 shots underway. Alright, not seeing any hits. Turn my red dot down. Try that again. Try from this distance, about 15 yards. So I'm shooting low left on that. Alright, so I had to make a couple corrections. Alright, had to adjust my red dot and my other thing, whatnot, my front sight. So here we go. I think I'm there. So let's try the 25 yards and try to get myself a perfectly aligned gun in front sight. I mean, red dot optic in front sight. Hey, here we go. Went up a tad bit too high. Dead on the money. Alright, check it out. Here's my 25-yard zero. You'll see it. It's going to be right at the bottom of the green square. Alright, so tear this down. This is what I started with here. Okay? Looking all sloppy mess and everything. Okay? Then when I finally got it on, I had 2 shots here, 1 shot there. Okay? Then I got it on a little bit more. I had 1 here, 2 there, and this was my last 3 shots here, and I brought it down some, and here I am right here, perfect. Okay, so I'm actually gonna send it back out and do it again because I want to be dead center to this green. Okay, so I'm gonna send it back out and do it one more time. Alrighty, pull this bad boy in and take a couple good shots on it. 7-yard line. Oh no, pretty fair. Pretty fair. Pretty fair shooting. 7, 15, and 25 yards. Stand on target pretty much. It's very good. Alright.